In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your GoDaddy domain. If you've ever found yourself with a domain you no longer need or you're simply looking to turn a profit, this guide will walk you through all the steps you need to take to ensure a successful sale. Selling a domain can be straightforward if you know the right process to follow. First, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Products section. This is where you'll find a list of all the domains you currently own. Find the domain you wish to sell and click on it. Doing this will bring you to your domain's dashboard, where you'll see a variety of management options. Pay close attention to these, as they will be key in setting the stage for your sale. From your domain dashboard, locate the Ownership tab. Click on it, and then select the List for Sale option. GoDaddy offers a simple marketplace where you can list your domain, but before we get into that, it's essential to decide on a fair price. To determine a good selling price, you might want to research similar domains to get an idea of the market value. Consider aspects such as the domain's age, its length, any keywords it contains, and its overall marketability. Setting a competitive price can attract more buyers and facilitate a quicker sale. After settling on a price, it's time to list your domain. When you click on List for Sale, you'll be prompted to enter your asking price, as well as the minimum offer you're willing to accept. It's strategic to have a minimum offer in mind. This ensures that negotiations won't drop below a price you're comfortable with. Additionally, writing a compelling description can help entice potential buyers, so if you have unique selling points for your domain, be sure to highlight them. Once you've filled out all necessary information and reviewed your listing, go ahead and submit it. GoDaddy will then publish your domain on their marketplace, making it visible to anyone searching for domain purchases. Keep an eye on your listing, as interested buyers might reach out with offers. Engage promptly with any potential buyers, and be prepared to negotiate, especially if you're eager to sell quickly. When an offer comes in that meets your criteria, it's time to finalize the sale. Work with GoDaddy to ensure the transaction is smooth. They handle the process of transferring domain ownership safely, so you can focus on finalizing payment terms with the buyer. And there you have it. With all these steps, you should be well on your way to selling your GoDaddy domain quickly and efficiently. Remember, being proactive in your communication and fair with your pricing increases your chances of a successful sale. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.